Welcome back to the channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you all here today because what we're about to dive into is something I personally believe has the potential to reshape the global financial ecosystem as we know it. I'm talking about real-world assets, RWAs, and tokenization. I can't stress this enough. I am extremely bullish on real-world assets, and I don't say that lightly. The content provided in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice of any kind. Always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and risky. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The views expressed are solely my personal opinions and should not be taken as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency. I am not a licensed financial advisor. This isn't just another passing trend in crypto. This is a massive movement that could transform the way we store, move, and interact with value. From stablecoins to tokenized payroll, the way money flows in our world is rapidly evolving. Everything, and I mean everything, in our lifetime is heading toward tokenization. Real estate, stocks, bonds, commodities, identity systems, and even payroll, all of it is slowly but surely moving on-chain. So, let's get into it, Zebec, and what makes this project one of the most exciting real-world asset plays I've seen in a long time. Let's talk Zebec, why this project deserves your attention. Zebec is a decentralized infrastructure network built for the seamless flow of real-world value. Let that sink in. This isn't just a DeFi app or a flashy NFT protocol. This is infrastructure. Think of Zebec as a highway for money that never sleeps. It enables money to move in real time, globally, without intermediaries, friction, or unnecessary delays. Now, I came across Zebec thanks to my Discord community. Shout out to you guys. Someone brought it up in the chat, and it immediately caught my eye. The use case, the execution, and the roadmap, it all just clicked. That's when I sent out a buy alert to the community and started tracking the price action with one of our custom bots. By the way, if you're not in the Discord yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the link with the code COMBFAME50 and come join the Finance Freeman family. We've built a strong community of like-minded investors who are constantly sharing alpha, research, and gems like this one. We'd love to have you with us. The Zebec ecosystem, RWA payments, real-time payroll, and cross-border capabilities. Now let's dive into what the Zebec ecosystem is offering today. When you visit their official website, you'll immediately see some of their headline features: real-world asset, RWA payments, real-time payroll, and cross-border remittances. That's already a powerful trifecta, but there's more. They've introduced Zebec Silver, a feature that allows users to spend crypto anytime, anywhere, instantly. Whether it's USDC or BTC, Zebec lets you make purchases as effortlessly as swiping a debit card. That's what excites me. True utility, not just holding tokens hoping for price pumps. And then there's Zebec Black, a reloadable and limitless card solution designed to give users seamless access to their digital funds. Think of it as the next-gen version of your debit card, except it's crypto-native, globally accepted, and fully integrated with on-chain payments. Rebranding, token upgrade, and ZBCN's broader vision. Some of you might remember that Zebec didn't always go by its current name or ticker. There was a rebranding not too long ago, and that's when the new token ticker ZBCN was launched. This rebranding wasn't cosmetic, it was strategic. It reflected Zebec's desire to shift from being just a payment processor to becoming a real-world asset powerhouse. Originally, the platform launched as a payroll-focused crypto service, but over time, the team realized that the infrastructure they had built could support so much more: stablecoins, decentralized finance, compliance layers, cross-border transactions, and more. The transition from basic PayFi to broader RWA integration is what truly made me sit up and take notice. Zebec isn't just adapting, it's evolving. The underrated power of stablecoins and Zebec's unique utility. Let's zoom out for a second. One of the first real-world assets to be tokenized, whether we realized it or not, is stablecoins. USDT, USDC, DAI. These are essentially on-chain dollars that move at the speed of the internet. Sending value from one wallet to another instantly, globally, with near zero fees is a miracle of modern finance. But here's the catch. With most stablecoins, all you can really do is send them. That's it. You can't buy coffee, you can't swipe a card, you can't go shopping or pay your bills directly with them, unless you're in some crypto-forward jurisdiction. That's where Zebec changes the game. Zebec allows users to link those stablecoins to digital cards right on their phones. Want to buy groceries with Bitcoin? Done. Want to pay for a subscription with USDC? Easy. Zebec creates a bridge between on-chain capital and off-chain utility. That's real adoption in action. Developer-friendly tools and EVM chain support. Zebec has also built some powerful tools for developers. For example, they offer the Zebec Solana SDK, which allows developers to integrate Zebec functionality into their own applications. That means anyone can build a Web3 app with Zebec-powered payments, digital cards, and more. And it doesn't stop at Solana. Zebec now supports EVM chains, including Ethereum, BNB Chain, Base, and even BitTensor. This is huge. It makes Zebec a true multi-chain solution, opening the doors to broader adoption and integration. Imagine building an e-commerce app that accepts crypto payments and uses Zebec's backend to issue a virtual card. That's what's coming. That's the vision. And we're still early. Market ranking, token metrics, and exchange listings. Let's talk numbers. Right now, ZBCN is ranked 180th among all cryptocurrencies. That means it's still flying under the radar for most people. You want to be in projects before they hit the top 50, not after. The current market cap sits at around $464 million, still well below what I'd consider fully valued given the size of their ambition and the strength of their tech. I'll leave the contract link down below for those of you who want to check it out directly. As far as exchange listings go, Zebec is available on OKX, Gate.io, MayXC, BitGet, LBank, and HTX, but not yet on the major giants like Coinbase, Binance, or Crypto.com. That's where I see a major upside opportunity. Just like we saw with Casper, which began on smaller exchanges and gradually earned listings on larger platforms, I believe ZBCN could follow a similar trajectory. The difference is, Zebec has a more focused niche in RWAs, while Casper aims to be a general-purpose L1. Backed by giants Circle, Gemini, and Coinbase Ventures. What gives me even more confidence in Zebec is the list of backers. We're talking Circle, the issuer of USDC. We're talking Gemini, the Winklevoss-backed exchange. And we're even seeing involvement from Coinbase Ventures. Now, let me clarify. Coinbase Ventures is separate from Coinbase itself, but the fact that they're backing Zebec shows that institutional eyes are watching this project. That increases the probability of more mainstream exposure, integrations, and maybe even eventual listings on bigger exchanges. Adoption metrics that actually matter. Here are some hard numbers to support the bullish case. Over 50,000 monthly users on and off-chain. More than 250 enterprise payroll clients already using Zebec's system. Total payroll volume crossing $1 billion. Availability in 138 countries and counting. This isn't some vaporware protocol still trying to ship its MVP. Zebec is already in the hands of thousands of users, with real money flowing through its system every single day. Chart setup, price action, and bull flag formation. Let's switch gears to technicals for a moment. If you zoom out on the one-year chart, you'll see a textbook bull flag forming. The price is consolidating, tightening, and forming what looks like a wedge that could break out violently if volume comes in. Now, I'm not going to give price predictions here. This is never financial advice, but you don't have to be a TA wizard to see that this thing is coiling for a move. Tokenomics breakdown. Inflation, unlocks, and long-term view tokenomics matter. They matter a lot, because even the best project in the world can get crushed by poor supply dynamics. So here's what you need to know. Zebec has a total supply of 100 billion tokens. As of now, around 37 billion are unlocked. But by August 2026, that number will rise to around 64 billion. Yes, there will be inflation. But here's the thing. As long as demand outpaces supply, the price can still rise. And in a narrative like RWAs, where the use case is growing exponentially, I'm not too concerned about those unlocks, especially if the platform keeps expanding its partnerships and user base. The bigger picture, Why Zebec represents the future. Let's be real. Moving money globally is still a mess. Between banks, remittance providers, exchange rates, and delays, it's absurd how inefficient it is. And yet, we accept it. Zebec is saying enough. They're showing us what a streamlined Web3 native borderless money system can look like. This isn't just another altcoin. This is infrastructure. This is how value will move in the future, whether it's payroll, remittances, B2B payments, or real-world commerce. And we're early, extremely early. Final thoughts. ZBCN is solving real problems with real technology backed by real users and institutions. They're not just talking, they're shipping. They're making crypto practical, and that's what this space desperately needs. If you're serious about positioning yourself for the next wave of crypto adoption, the real-world asset wave, then you need to have your eyes on projects like this. As always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But if you've made it this far in the video, let me just say, I love you all, and I appreciate every single one of you for being part of this journey. Stay bullish, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Let us know in the comments below. I really want to hear your take. Was this video helpful? Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more altcoin breakdowns and crypto market deep dives. And if you think someone else needs to see this opportunity, go ahead and share it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart, stay skeptical, and stay invested in narratives that actually make sense.